The last couple of days before the exam could change your grade if you do the right things. Here are 5 best practices that students could follow before the exam. While revising, it is important to prioritize the more important topics and address your weak points, even if it doesn't follow the same order as the syllabus. So, don't spend time going over things that you already know, just because it goes in the same order as your book. Avoid repeating the same mistakes during the exam. You have probably done several past papers. It is now time to go over the mistakes. This will definitely improve your grade. Do you remember that past exam paper that you did and it was very difficult? It is now time to solve that paper in less time and achieve a much higher grade. Do timed mock exams if you haven't done so. Take the exam at the same time of the day as the actual exam. Visualize the exam room while solving. This will help you reduce panic. The last tip, and perhaps the most important one, is to have a good night's sleep. This will help you retain information and avoid silly mistakes during the exam due to fatigue.